Good afternoon to one and all. On behalf of Dhyan Ganga College of Education, I take this opportunity to welcome respected Principal Ma'am, Dr. Anjana Rawat, our dearest professors, Savita Upasni Ma'am, Paulmati Lucas Ma'am, Pratibha Kambli Ma'am, our non-teaching staff, which includes Priyanka Ma'am. A special welcome to all the FY 8 students as it's their first virtual celebration, as well as all my classmates. Today is the 8th of March, and so we have gathered all here on this virtual platform for celebrating International Women's Day. Before we begin, let me tell you a story which is just apt for this occasion. Do listen carefully, as it is the story of each one of us. When God created woman, he was working late on the 6th day. An angel came by and asked, "Why spend so much time on her?" The Lord answered, "Have you seen all the specifications I have to meet to shape her? She must function in all kinds of situations, cure herself when sick, and have the ability to work 18 hours a day. She must be able to embrace several kids at the same time, have a hug that can heal anything, from a bruised knee to a broken heart. And she must do all this with only 2 hands." The angel was impressed. Just 2 hands? Impossible. He came closer and touched the woman. "But you have made her so soft, Lord." "She is soft," said the Lord, "but I have made her strong. You can't imagine what she can endure and overcome." "Can she think?" the angel asked. The Lord answered, "Not only can she think, she can also reason and negotiate." The angel touched her cheeks. "Lord, it seems this creation is leaking. You have put too many burdens on her." "She's not leaking. It's a tear," the Lord corrected. "What it is for?" asked the angel. The Lord said, "Tears are her way of expressing her grief, her doubts, her love, her loneliness, her suffering, and her pride." This made a big impression on the angel. "Lord, you are a genius. You thought of everything. A woman is indeed marvelous." The Lord agreed, "Truly she is. She has strength to amaze a man. She can handle trouble and carry heavy burdens. She holds happiness, love, and opinions. She smiles when she feels like screaming. She sings when she feels like crying, cries when she is happy, and laughs when she is afraid. She fights for what she believes in. Her love is unconditional." The angel asked, "So is she a perfect being?" The Lord replied, "No, she just has one drawback. She often forgets what she is worth." Yes, friends, how true. We often forget our worth. A woman plays multiple roles during her lifetime. She is a wonderful daughter, an outstanding sister, a marvelous wife, an amazing friend, and above all, a nurturing mother. So today, let us celebrate the power of womanhood. And as the tradition of DGET goes, I would now like to call upon Prerna for the Saraswati Vandana.
Thank you so much, Hamida. Let us join our hands and close our eyes. We'll start with the Vandana. He Veena Vadani, He Veena Vadani, Tumko Namami, Aaye Sharan Teri Janani, Bhavani, He Veena Vadani. तू ज्ञान दाता है माता माता जननी भवानी, हे वीणा वादनी, तुमको नमामि, तुमको नमामि, तुमको नमामि. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Prerna. So now we are all geared up to begin the show. Let me call upon my friend Zareen to speak on the importance of this day.
Thank you very much, Hamida. Welcome, everyone. So today we are celebrating International Women's Day, and I am extremely very glad to be given this opportunity to deliver a speech on this day. International Women's Day is celebrated every year on 8th March to honor the achievements of women in every field. Therefore, this celebration is given recognition to those women personalities who have excelled in various fields. Indeed, women have contributed greatly to the welfare of society and to our country subsequently. The International Women's Day celebration can be traced back to 1909, when for the first time, Socialist Party of America designated this day in honor of the garment workers' strike in New York. However, the first official celebration happened only in 1911, where for the first time, women of several European countries like Austria, Denmark, Germany, and Switzerland participated in demonstration. At that time, more than 1 million women workers thronged on the streets, and they demanded right to vote, right to hold public offices. Another important demonstration of women can be seen in 1917 at the time of Russian Revolution, where women textile workers in St. Petersburg, which was formerly known as Petrograd, took over the streets in order to protest for equal rights. That is the reason this day has been declared by the United Nations as the International Women's Day. Women's Day holds a great significance in our life, and it is becoming a custom year after year. This celebration marks respect, appreciation, love, care towards the women of our life and in our society. So on this International Women's Day, let us recognize the importance of women in our lives and to the society and motivate them for greater and future achievements. And this year's theme goes really well with what we have dealt in this entire year. That is, choose to challenge. Once again, a happy International Women's Day to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Zareen. Moving forward, we all know that women can dance with natural voice and rhythm. They are definitely better at dancing than men and have always played a predominant role in dance since ancient times. And today, on this occasion of Women's Day, no program would be complete without a dance. So let's hit the virtual dance floor, ladies, along with our very own fantabulous dancers, Rita and Aditi.
After the webinar concludes with the photo stand by webinar coordinator.
दीवारें ऊंची है, गलियां है तंग,
युगों से एक पहेली है जो कभी नंगे पांव से आंगन में खेली है जो कभी इंद्रधनुष बन के खनकती है कलाई में, वही शक्ति है नारी जो कविता कली कहानी बन जाती, जिसकी एक करवट वक्त को बदल जाती, जो प्यार से रुतबा दे शाहों से ऊंचा, जो जिद पे आ जाए तो समय को बदल देती, वही शक्ति है नारी। नारी 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 शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता।
That was indeed
Over to you,
a
Ravi.
heart-touching performance. Moving forward, a role model is someone others look up to as a good example. A role model is someone who inspires others to imitate their good behavior. For a child, the first role model is the mother. So now I invite Suchita and Dhanashri to talk about some women role models and their achievements.
Thank you, Hamida. Happy Women's Day to all lovely women present here. Today I am going to present few women role models who has achieved success and set an example for others. I am going to talk about some differently abled women who has achieved big success in spite being physically and mentally challenged. Next. Starting with Jasmina Khurana. Jasmina Khurana was born with cerebral palsy. She is a software professional who was born with cerebral palsy, which is a medical condition usually caused by brain damage before or at birth, resulting into loss of control of arms and legs. She petitioned against poor treatment from the Canadian Embassy in India. She said, I may be physically challenged, but I am a human too. Next. Coming to Preeti Srinivasan. She was born on 5th September 1979 in Chennai. She is a former captain of under-19 Tamil Nadu women's cricket team. Held the record of being the youngest to have played for a junior state team. She was a national level. She had everything going for. An unfortunate accident at the age of 18. The mishap left her quadriplegic, which refers to paralysis from the neck down, including trunk, legs, and arms. But she did not let this pull her spirit down. Instead, she decided to embrace it and help out others with a similar or worse plight. Next. Now, talking about Vaishali Salokar. She is India's first blind chess player at World Chess Olympiad. 45-year-old Vaishali from Maharashtra is an 8-time national champion. She has been playing chess for past 20 to 25 years, and she has an ELO rating for 1357 points. Next. Next is Mansi Girish Chandra Joshi. She was born on 11 June 1989, is an Indian para-badminton player, the current world champion and a change maker. She started her professional sporting journey in 2015 and at present, she is ranked world number 2 in women's singles. Mansi was listed as the Next Generation Leader 2020 by Time Magazine in October 2020, making her first para-athlete in the world and the first Indian athlete to be featured on the magazine's cover for being an advocate for people with disabilities. She has also been recognized by BBC as one of the 100 most inspirational and powerful women across the world in 2020. These great women are trying to give a message to our society that disability is not a problem. And if a person is disabled or differently able, somehow, it doesn't matter that person is incapable of doing anything. Rather, try to utilize what you are blessed with at maximum potential to achieve success. For next part, I would like to invite Dhanashree. Over to you, Dhanashree.
Thank you, Suchita ma'am. It is always proud being a woman. And Women's Day is used to express respect, appreciation towards powerful women gender. Now, I would like to speak about Avni Chaturvedi. Flight Lieutenant Avni Chaturvedi is an Indian pilot from Rewa district, Madhya Pradesh. She was declared as the first woman combat pilot. She was inducted into the Indian Air Force Fighter Quadrant in June 2016. In 2018, Chaturvedi became the first Indian woman pilot to take a solo flight in MiG-21. On March 9, 2020, Chaturvedi was awarded with Nari Shakti Puraskar by President Ramnath Kovind. It truly holds for her. Find something you're passionate about and stay tremendously interested in it. Next, I would like to speak about Dr. Ritu Karidhal. Dr. Ritu Karidhal Srivastava is an Indian scientist working with ISRO. Ritu Karidhal has worked for ISRO since 1997. She played a key role in the development of India's Mars Orbiter mission, Mangalyaan. She was also the Deputy Operations Director for this mission. She supervised the Chandrayaan-2 mission as the mission director. She has been referred to as the Rocket Woman of India. Next, I would like to speak is Muktiben Dagli. Please stay in this. Yeah, thank you. Muktiben Dagli is a social worker from Gujarat. She had meningitis at the age of lost her eyesight. In spite of this, she did her BA and BA. She full for blind in Amreli. She publishes Didi, a bi-monthly Braille magazine for blind women. Dagli was awarded the Padma Shri in 2019 by the Government of India for her social work. She received Nari Shakti Puraskar in 2001 for her work towards empowering blind women in Gujarat. I believe she overcame everything that was meant to destroy her and rightly an inspiration to all. Thank you.
Thanks, Suchita and Dhanashree. We are indeed motivated after listening to the achievements of these role models. The melodious Prerna for a song presentation.
Yeah, thank you so much, Hamida. Respected Principal Ma'am, all professors, and all my dear friends. I wish you all, each one of you, a very happy Women's. The song which I am going to sing is from Satyamev Jayate, and a very emotional yet beautiful song. Hope you all like it. It's Ori Chiraiya. I'll start. आशा नहीं, तू जो उड़ जाएगी, ये ज़मीं तेरे बिन सूनी रह जाएगी। किसके दम पे सजेगा मेरा अंगना, मेरी चिड़ैया, मेरी चिड़ैया, अंगना में फिर आ जा रे। मेरी चिड़ैया, नन्ही सी चिड़िया, अंगना में फिर आ जा रे। तेरे पलकों में सारी सितारे जड़ों, तेरी चूनन झलक सतरंगी बुनों, तेरे काजल में मैं काली रैना भरूं, तेरी मेहंदी में मैं कच्ची धूप मनूं, तेरे नैना सजा दूं नया सपना। मेरी चिड़ैया, मेरी चिड़ैया, अंगना में फिर आ जा रे। मेरी चिड़ैया, नन्ही सी चिड़िया, अंगना में फिर आ जा रे। अंधियारा है घना और लहू से सना, किरणों से खिलती अंबर से चिमटी, अंगना में फिर आ जा रे। मेरी चिड़ैया। Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Prerna, for serving us such a lovely song to all of us. I enjoyed every bit of it. Thank you once again. Moving forward, it has never been easy for women to juggle a thriving career and a happy family life. It still isn't, because being a full-time working mom comes with bouts of stress and guilt for not being able to give equal time to work and family. This being said, it's the 21st century, and women from all walks of life are choosing to have it all: a blissful family, a rewarding career, and some solitude to find some time for themselves. So now I invite Pratima to speak on the common issues faced by women. Hello, Pratima.
5, 6, 7, 8.
हेलो प्रतिमा, क्या कर रहे हो?
ओह, हाय हाय हमीदा। यार हमीदा, ये घर, बच्चे, कॉलेज, असाइनमेंट, इन सब के चक्कर में मुझे टाइम ही नहीं मिल पाता। तो जितना भी वक्त मुझे मिलता है, मैं उतने में अपना ख्याल रखने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ।
Oh, great. We all must take care of ourselves whenever we get the time.
Thanks, Amida. And that's my today's topic, women and weight. As a woman, we juggle many roles: caregiver, homemaker, mother, daughter, daughter-in-law, sister, friend, and multiple others. Each of them is governed by attitude, belief, thoughts, and perspective. Most of them are accompanied by a set of unrealistic expectations and demands, which turns into an enormous burden to wear and fulfill. In the process of managing all these roles and simultaneously trying to be perfect in them, we most often lose sight of our own individuality and needs. We most often lose sight of our own individuality. It is essential that we find time to practice self-care so that our health is the priority. Self-care can be seen improve when we well-being ourselves both physically and mentally. Now, physical change. Physical change are visible changes which women ensure during stages like pregnancy, childbirth, or at menopause, and then these are spoken to in life. But what about mental stage? Like I will give an example for the physical change. Okay, I was checking a DP of one of my good friends, and I called her and said कि तेरे तो गाल खींचने का मन कर रहा है यार. And what she said, कि lockdown effect, googly woogly whoosh. And then I called one of my other friends and asked her about her routine which she was used to follow by going to a walk. She said that now as everyone is in home, so I am not able to go for a walk as I don't have time. So these things affect our physical health as we used to take care of and now we are not taking care. Now we come on to mental health. Mental health as a research indicates that women are twice as likely to develop common mental disorders such as anxiety, depression, which compared to men. Women suffering from mental illness usually are not coming forward because they are blamed and shamed for not living to the societal expectations. As a society, the high expectation that is being placed on the woman's shoulder put us under immense pressure and are detrimental for our well-being. This makes us all more important to take care of ourselves and stay healthy. So what we can do? We can take self-care. Self-care is not one thing, it is a lifestyle change, and that helps to manage the symptoms of stress, anxiety, and depression. Aside from meeting the basic needs of self-care can be anything or everything. It can range from completing a few chores, which is being pending, learning something new, learning to say no, and allowing yourself to make mistakes too. It is also extremely important to recognize that self-care is not selfishness, okay? The second thing is accepting the gratitude. It is another way to improve your mental health. Gratitude is an appreciation of what is being valuable and meaningful to you as a general state of appreciation. It embodies a positive impact and attitude which improves your personal, physical, and social life. The next is friendship. Friendship has a large impact on your mental state, and even some research has also said that among every relationship, friendship impacts you more. Other things are like spending time with your nature, journaling, aromatherapy, spa, yoga activities. This will help you to feel relaxed. Lastly, physical exercises. And these exercises are great ways to improve your circulation and regulate your breathing. They increase your level of oxygen, which will improve your health functioning, calm your nervous system, and clean your lungs and good quality of sleep. To conclude, I would like to say, never feel guilty. Remember, never feel guilty when it comes to your physical health, mental health, and self-care. You are an individual and your health and needs are justified. You are only making things harder for yourself. In the long run, if you are constantly neglecting your health and well-being, you are a valued member of your family and society and should treat yourself like one. Give yourself permission to enjoy and celebrate life while serving to stay healthy. Thank you. Be fit, be healthy. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Pratima, for sharing such wonderful tips with all of us. I especially like that. Self-care is not selfishness. No, I always used to feel guilty, but now, not anymore. Thank you so much. Moving forward, poetry, like so many art forms, has a way of expressing the inexpressible and exposing human nature through musical rhythms, vivid imagery, and powerful metaphors. Throughout history, female poets have used their voices to be catalysts for social and political change, and their words are just as important today as they ever have been. There are countless volumes of poetry written by women who deserve our praise and adoration. But today, we have our very own in-house poet of DGET, Arshpreet, who will share her poem with us all. Over to you, Arshpreet.
Thank you so much, Hamida. Hello, everyone. First of all, I would like to wish everyone Happy Women's Day on this special occasion. And on this special occasion, I'm going to present my feeling through a sweet little poem. Hope you all will like the poem. So let's start with the journey of a lady. औरत, जिसे हम जननी भी कहते हैं, जिसके बिना इस संसार के अस्तित्व की कल्पना भी नामुमकिन है। जननी होने के बावजूद उसी जननी का अस्तित्व सदियों से धूमिल है। आखिर क्यों ऐसा क्यों? उसी के अस्तित्व को समर्पित आज मैं अपने शब्दों को एक कविता के रूप में आपके सामने रख रही हूँ, जिसका शीर्षक है मेरा अस्तित्व। मेरा अस्तित्व। जब से हूं मैं, जब से है ये सृष्टि, तब से हूं मैं। जब से है ये सृष्टि, तब से हूं मैं, या यूं कह लो इस सृष्टि के होने की वजह हूं मैं, या यूं कह लो इस सृष्टि की होने की वजह हूं मैं। तुझे अंकुरित करने की जगह हूं मैं। हाँ, तुझे अंकुरित करने की जगह हूं मैं। मेरे अस्तित्व से ही तो तेरा अस्तित्व है। मेरे अस्तित्व से ही तो तेरा अस्तित्व है। इस बात को समझने की तुझ में दृष्टि नहीं है, तभी तो तूने मुझे मजबूर समझ लिया। मेरी खामोशी को तूने मेरी कमजोरी समझ लिया। हर तरह का कष्ट सहा है मैंने। हाँ, हर तरह का कष्ट सहा है मैंने। जन्म से मरण तक का सफर सहा है मैंने। जन्म से मरण तक का सफर सहा है मैंने। कब तक तू मेरे अस्तित्व को मिटाएगा? कभी तो तू भी इस वास्तविकता को समझ पाएगा, क्योंकि तुझे अंकुरित करने की जगह जो हूं मैं। मेरे अस्तित्व से ही तो तेरा अस्तित्व जुड़ा है। पर अब यूं खामोश नहीं रहूंगी मैं। अब यूं खामोश नहीं रहूंगी मैं। तेरे कंधे से मेरे कंधा मिलाने की कसम खाई है मैंने। तेरे कंधे से मेरा कंधा मिलाने की कसम खाई है मैंने। और ये कोई रेस नहीं है, और तेरे दिल को मुझे पहुंचानी कोई ठेस नहीं है। बस बात तो मेरे अस्तित्व की है, क्योंकि मेरे अस्तित्व से ही तो तेरा अस्तित्व जुड़ा है। मेरे अस्तित्व से ही तो तेरा अस्तित्व जुड़ा है। मेरा कत्ल तेरा भी पत्न है। मेरा कत्ल तेरा भी पत्न है। इसीलिए तो आज मैंने ये अस्तित्व की बात चलाई है। इसीलिए तो आज मैंने अस्तित्व की ये बात चलाई है। अब सीख ले तू मेरा सम्मान करना। वजह मैंने बहुत ठोस बताई है। वजह मैंने बहुत ठोस बताई है। तुझे अंकुरित करने की बात यूं ही नहीं बताई है, क्योंकि मेरे अस्तित्व से ही तो तेरा अस्तित्व जुड़ा है। यहाँ भी मैंने तुझ पर दया करके ये बात बार बार समझाई है। तुझे अंकुरित करने की बात यूं ही नहीं बदली। Thank you. I hope everyone would like my few words. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you so much, Arshpreet. That was a heavy dose of poetry, and each and every word carried weightage. I mean, it was really too good. Thank you. Friends, do you all know women are biologically sensitive to high-pitched voices so that they can hear their babies even when they are asleep. Women have a larger pupil than men and blink 19 times in a minute, whereas men blink only 11 times. Women have more intricately hardwired brains than men. Their left and right hemispheres are more connected. These are just a few facts about women. The list is endless. So now, let me call upon Jyoti and Kavita to interact with a few power women of our college and learn something more about them. Over to you, girls.
Good afternoon, everyone. I, Jyoti Baheti, along with Kavita Valunj, welcome you all to our cafe, DGT. Every day is a great day to celebrate the amazing women in our life. But International Women's Day gives us an extra reason to celebrate the same. So, today we have special guests from our own DGET college. Without taking much time, I would like to introduce to our first guest. No matter which angle I look at you, you always appear to be admirable. I have been impressed by your dressing style, your calmness, and positive attitude. So, here let us welcome our one and only principal ma'am, Dr. Anjana Rawat ma'am.
Yeah, hello.
Hello ma'am, how are you?
I'm fine. Wish you all very happy.
Happy Women's Day.
Same to you, ma'am. Same to you.
Same to you, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, we all would like to know few things from you.
Okay. Regarding what?
As a female leader, what has been the most
significant?
Yeah, ma'am, regarding the women, as you are a female leader, what has been the most significant barrier in your career?
Now see, actually barriers are so many, but I would like to quote one. I was working and that time due to my pregnancy it's very difficult for me to travel from Thane to Andheri because that time metro was not there. Okay, so every time 3-hour journey going and come back. Okay, and my 7 month is going on, and twins babies are there. So it's really very hectic journey for me, and lots of challenges I faced. But being optimistic, I accept the challenge, and I done my journey till 7 months, and after that I have taken break. Yeah. What else?
Wow, ma'am, it is very inspiring that even when you are pregnant, you know, it is not a
Easy
we
task.
can do everything even in our pregnancy.
Correct.
Ma'am, it was my next question. During lockdown, we all have experienced different. So how was your lockdown experience? What did you do? And was it a positive way? Or what new things you did in your lockdown?
Now see, I never be a negative. Even pandemic period was there. Still is going on also. The thing is that I'm a planner. I'm accommodation. I'm an administrative in position. I'm a leader. So I used to do planning. Okay, planning about the next year. Then admission inquiries were there. I used to handle them. And there are meeting with management committee members too. And so many activities are there. Even during lockdown period, I conducted some webinars also. So I did not found any gap in between.
Yeah.
Okay. So according to me, this lockdown period will be fruitful. Okay. It's not a blank days for me.
Yeah, it is basically a challenge. We have learned many things during the lockdown. And the life didn't stop, even in this pandemic. Ma'am, now it's time for rapid fire questions.
Okay.
So, we would like to know something about you. Okay. Who is your favorite actor?
Shah Rukh Khan. Oh.
Shah
Rukh Khan fan.
Simran.
I like his acting skill. And
who is your favorite?
Yeah.
Oh. Mr. King Khan, yeah, of course. Who is your favorite actress?
Divya Bharti. I really missed her a lot.
Divya Bharti.
Yeah, actually, I'm a good sketchers also. The first sketch which I drawn, that is Divya Bharti's sketch. And yeah.
Wow.
She is, I can't even describe about her. She's so beautiful, cute, and very pleasing personality. Okay.
Yeah. True. The thing that brings a big smile on your face.
Whenever I talk with my kids on phone or chatting with them, so many irrelevant things are also discussed in between. So it really makes me smile on their stupidity. So it's like that whenever I engage with my kids.
Okay. And one thing that annoys you most.
If anybody, okay, in front of me commit mistake again and again, okay, after giving so many explanations, whether they are my kids, my husband, my in-laws, or my students, okay, again I'm posting so many messages and giving clear instruction, and they are asking same silly questions, then definitely it's really annoyed me.
Okay, ma'am. Last for you. Describe yourself in 3 words.
I am dedicated, visionary, and hard worker toward my profession. And I'm optimistic
That's so
too.
Inspirational.
Yeah.
Yeah, that we know.
Yeah.
You got a positive attitude.
Yeah, you have seen my status also. I'm always be positive. Huh? I'm always positive.
Yes, ma'am. That we know. Yes. It was great talking to you, ma'am. It was inspirational. I mean, you are the inspiring person to us. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Now, I would like to call my friend Kavita to welcome our next guest. Over to you, Kavita.
Oh, thank you, Jyoti, so much. Now see, I'm going to express something. She's a charming woman, does not follow the crowd. She is herself. Likewise, ma'am, has her own style of teaching and making us understand the concepts. And lovely, one and only Savita, ma'am. The way she teaches, it's really very amazing. She will make us understand all the things in a very deep manner. Ma'am, where are you? I would like to talk to you, ma'am. Savita, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. I would like to know few things from you, ma'am. As everyone was very much experimenting with the cooking skills in pandemic, what was your experience?
You're asking my cooking skills.
Not like that. In pandemic, you used to try everything, right? But I have tried it. I'm a very worst cook. I tried a cake, but it was the very worst one. So what was your experience?
I did a lot of experiments in cooking. I think that second time I made cake in this pandemic. Cake.
First time also cake and second time also cake, man.
No. Means in the pandemic, it was my second time to make a cake. Okay.
Okay. So my second question is, as a teacher, what quality would you like to look out for in your students? Not in me.
As a teacher, first, they should be very down to earth. Okay. Because most of the time, teachers are having good content knowledge, command on language. Okay. Even they have good demo skills, presentation skills. Okay. They are very good actors. Okay. But if you are not down to earth at that time, many problems are you yourself create more problems. Why? Because if you are down to earth, then you are able to listen your students. Okay. Otherwise, every time you underestimate your students' learning needs. Okay.
And when they are able to learn, when they are they feel comfortable, they are happy, and then they can learn. Okay, so you have to think about themselves also. Okay, try to do the need analysis of your students, so automatic your teaching will be interesting. So I will look these what we can say. Yes, being a teacher, there should be an attitude. Okay, and which attitude? That yes, in my class you are the students and I am the teacher, but out of that classroom situation, you have to become a friend, buddy of your students. Okay, then and then you can reach to that unreached students who really what we can say, that last person is need your help. Okay, जो लास्ट बच्चा है क्लास में बैठा हुआ, उसे आपकी हेल्प चाहिए, मे बी इमोशनल हेल्प हो सकती है. तो वो आप तक कब पहुंचेगा? जब आप उसे आप तक पहुंचाने का स्कोप दोगे. ओके, अदरवाइज आप आकर सिर्फ क्लास में बड़े इसमें बात करोगे और यू ट्राई टू डोमिनेट योर स्टूडेंट्स, दे वोंट कम विद देयर प्रॉब्लम्स. ओके, एंड अभी यही है. कौन से भी स्कूल में जाओ. ओके, इवन स्कूल गिव द ट्रेनिंग टू देयर टीचर्स that how to handle students and parents also. Okay, PTA चल रहा है और PTA में आपने बोल दिया your son is very naughty and it disturbs the learning environment of our class at all. Okay, so what will be the reaction of that parent? That parent is having only one child. Okay, तो क्या हो सकता? So,
yes, ma'am. Actually, that's a great thing you have in you, and you teach us the same thing, to reach the ultimate student, each and every student in class. Love you, ma'am, for this. As a working woman, did your spouse help you in your household chores?
Yes, most of the time he worked, most of the time.
Lovely.
But when he helped, at that time also, he is having the attitude of that, yes, I am helping you. that attitude trouble.
Yeah, every man has that. Even you also face the same thing. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's the same thing.
It's everywhere. Again, it's everywhere. Now, ma'am, rapid fire.
It's everywhere, agreed.
You have to answer very fatafat, okay? Very fatafat.
Okay.
Ma'am, your favorite pastime?
My childhood.
Oh. Which is your favorite movie?
Jab We Met.
Oh, romantic movie. During school time, which was your favorite subject, ma'am?
Maths.
Oh, lovely. And which was your dislike? You used to dislike the subject, not liking at all. What was that?
Science.
Oh. Okay. Now, last, okay, Gita. If you weren't a teacher, then what would you be?
I might be a lawyer.
But ma'am, I think we are blessed to have you as a teacher. Really. Something good deeds we would have done, so we have got you as a teacher. Love you, ma'am, for this. Love you. Thank you so much. Now I'll just go give to my Jyoti friend. Please continue.
Okay. So next we have on our board. She is for next guest. I would like to say one thing. Simplicity is the best quality. After observing you, ma'am, we draw strength. Learning is a great fun with you, and that's our Kolamati ma'am.
Oh, that's lovely.
Hello, ma'am.
Thank you very much. Can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am. We can hear you. Happy Women's Day, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the wonderful introduction. Where there is a woman, there is magic. So I just observe very
Yeah,
quietly. Really, I enjoyed this session. Everybody has a hidden talent. Some of them good in dance, some of them express their
Agreed.
poem, some of them they express their heavy talks and all. It's really all done a magic. So, wishing all a very happy Women's Day.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Ma'am, now I would like to know from you. Mention a person who strongly stands by with you on a rainy day and you really want to thank him or her for it.
Oh, it's a very tough question. Rainy day. Who stands? Rainy day, maybe my husband, I can say. Really, I have to thank. Sometimes what happens, we feel like granted, husband, whatever they do it, we never thank them, So this, as you ask the questions, I feel we have to thank. We should always show our love and appreciation to them because they are our life partner, right?
Agreed, ma'am. As everyone says that behind a successful man, there's a woman. We can say behind a successful woman, there is a man.
Yes, definitely, yes.
Okay, ma'am. What one thing do you still struggle with? Like we all struggle with many things still. What is one thing that you still struggle? Anything?
As I am joined in this teaching professions, I feel, I want to become a good orator. On the spot, I need to speak lengthy speech that I cannot do it. So I feel struggle sometimes, that is my, what do you call, whatever you think is.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Everyone has something, which, we struggle with. But we never give up and just, go with it. Okay, ma'am. So now it's a rapid fire question round. Okay, ma'am? So, which is your favorite song?
My favorite song is...
You have to sing, ma'am.
Yeah. I don't have a, sweet melodious voice like you. Earlier, somebody was singing Prenda, no? It's a beautiful voice. Even I feel jealous. Those who are having a sweet melodious voice. I want it because my voice is little husky, like, very strong, I feel. So, my favorite song I can say is Teri Meri, that Bodyguard ka movie ka song. Teri Meri,
Yeah.
प्रेम कहानी
है मुश्किल. Yes, ma'am. That's really very romantic song. Yeah, beautiful song. Which is your favorite movie quote?
Movie quote. Some dialogues. We are talking about dialogues.
Yes, you can say a dialogue.
That in Dabang movie, Sonakshi always says, like, एक थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता साहेब, but प्यार से लगता है, that dialogue I like it.
Oh, so you are a Bollywood fan, huh?
Yes.
That's really nice. Ma'am, what do you like, sunset or sunshine?
Both I like it. We have to thank God in every day we can see the sunrise and the sunset. We are alive, so I feel we have to thank. I like both.
Both the things.
Yes.
Okay. What is your strength?
I feel my strength is my confidence.
That's very important for everyone to have a confidence, a self-confidence. What is your weakness?
My weakness, I believe easily everyone. That is my weakness. When that, I feel like in WhatsApp messages, maybe it's reliable or not, I just forward. That is my weakness nowadays in modern times. I can say that.
Actually, ma'am, most of the women are we are emotional. We believe people.
Yes. Sometimes
for giving us this opportunity. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you very much for the management. Thank you, principal ma'am, and all the teachers and the teachers for giving me this platform to connect with you all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Over to you, Kavita.
Yes, once again, I'm here. She has a balance in her life, soft-hearted, strong-minded, Pratibha ma'am. May I have you, ma'am? Pratibha ma'am.
Hello. Good
Hi,
afternoon,
ma'am.
everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I would
Good
like to hear
afternoon.
something about you, ma'am. Can I? Yes, yes.
मला ना जास्त
English.
व्हॉट्सअप नो मराठी
मराठी बोलू.
मराठी.
एक नंबर रॉकेट. ओके मॅम. मला सांगा, तुमचं म्हणजे लहानपण तसं आपलं खूप लहानपण खूप खुशीत असतं मुलीचं, पण तुमचं लाईफ काय चेंज झालं लहानपणी आणि नंतर मग थोडं हिंदीमध्ये पण सांगा, म्हणजे आपल्या बाकीच्या फ्रेंड्सला पण थोडं हिंदीमध्ये पण कळेल.
नक्की चालेल. लहानपणी खूप मस्ती वगैरे केली आहे. आणि ज्या फ्रेंड्स म्हणजे माझी एक आवडती बेस्ट फ्रेंड अजूनही आहे. तिच्या बरोबर कोणी म्हणजे शाळेमध्ये तिच्या बाजूला जरी कोणी बसली, म्हणजे गर्लफ्रेंड जरी बसली, एखादी मुलगी जरी बसली, तरी मी त्या मुलीलाही मारायची. एकदा तर मी एका मुलीचं असं म्हणजे डोकं सुद्धा भिंतीवर आपटलंय, कारण की ती माझ्या बेस्ट फ्रेंडच्या बाजूला दिसली. म्हणजे एवढी मी अपरिचित होती माझ्या त्या बेस्ट फ्रेंड बद्दल, इव्हन आजही आहे. आणि आता नंतर म्हणजे आता वाटतंय मोठे पण आल्यानंतर की नाही, ते बालपणच खूप चांगलं होतं. आता खूप टेन्शन्स आहेत आणि ते लगेच आपल्या चेहऱ्यावर रिफ्लेक्ट होतात. त्यामुळे ते बालपणच खूप सुखाचं.
अच्छा. तुमचं पेंडॅमिक एक्सपिरियन्स कसा होता? म्हणजे तुम्हाला असं काय आठवत असं एकदम काहीतरी असं काहीतरी आम्हाला सांगण्यासारखं असं काहीतरी पेंडॅमिक मध्ये घडलं असं तुमचं, असं म्हणजे असं जेणेकरून आम्हाला वगैरे मिळेल बाबा, काय पण असं काय पण.
पेंडेमिक मध्ये ऍक्च्युली माझे आध्यात्मिक गुरु श्री स्वामी समर्थ पेंडेमिक मध्ये ज्यावेळी ह्या खूप केसेस वाढल्या, त्यावेळी खरोखर मी हादरलेली म्हणजे ज्यावेळी आपल्या बिल्डिंग मध्ये या अशा गोष्टी आपल्याला कळून येतात, आणि ते सुद्धा लगेच नाही कळत, कोणतरी आपल्याला बाहेरून एखादी व्यक्ती सांगते जी आपल्या बिल्डिंगला ऑब्झर्व करत असते, आणि ती व्यक्ती ज्यावेळी आपल्याला सांगते की तुमच्या बिल्डिंग मध्ये एवढ्या केसेस आहेत, त्यावेळी मी पहिल्यांदा एवढी हादरलेली माझ्या लाईफमध्ये. आणि त्याच मुवमेंटला मी माझी आई 75+ आहे, मी 3 महिन्यासाठी तिला गावी पाठवलं. आणि मग आई नसताना मग तर सगळा जेवणाचा भार माझ्यावर आल्यामुळे नवीन मग रेसिपीज ट्राय करायच्या. त्याच्यानंतर थोडं PhD वर काय आपल्याला विषय घ्यायचा आहे त्याच्यावर थोडं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन सुरू होतं. आणि नंतर आपल्या अंजना मॅडमनी PGDME कोर्स बद्दल पण सांगितलेलं, थोडा तो कोर्स कसा करता येईल थोडस त्या गाईडलाईन्स बघत होती. म्हणजे हे सगळं पेंडेमिक मध्ये. आणि इव्हन एक महत्वाची गोष्ट म्हणजे ज्या मी आध्यात्मिक मार्गामध्ये आहे तिथे ऑनलाईन सगळे पारायण सुरू होती, कारण की आपल्याला तिथे जाता येत नव्हतं त्र्यंबकेश्वरला गुरुपीठावर. त्यामुळे ते या म्हणजे वर्षभरामध्ये एकही ऑनलाईन पारायण मी चुकवलं नाही. म्हणजे ते मी केलं, कारण की ते फक्त आपल्या एकट्याचं हिताचं नसतं, त्याच्यामध्ये जेवढ्या लोकांसाठी आपण ती प्रार्थना करत असतो ते त्यांना ते फळ मिळण्यासाठी ते पारायण असतं. आणि त्यामुळे मी न चुकता ते कधीच तेथे ऍबसेंटी दिली नाही, ते नेहमी मी जॉईन केलं.
गुड. आता मी तुम्हाला रॅपिड फायर राऊंड विचारते. एकच उत्तर द्यायचं. यू आर अर्ली रायझर की नाईट पर्सन?
अर्ली रायझर.
जर तुम्ही इनविजिबल झालात तर तुम्हाला काय करावं असं वाटेल? कुठे जावं?
इनविजिबल झाले तर कोकणात.
अरे वा, मासे. अच्छा, विच इज अ फेवरेट फूड?
सी फूड, खेकडे, बांगडे,
सुरमई. इव्हन सुरमई माझी पण फेवरेट आहे मॅम. आणि तुम्हाला कुठे बाहेर जावं असं वाटेल जेवायला, तर तुम्ही कुठे जाल? कुठली डेस्टिनी असेल तुमची? तुम्ही स्टील यू वॉन्ट टू फ्लरिश, ओके, अजून जायचं आहे, तुमची इच्छा आहे अशी जायची?
हॉटेल उत्सव मध्ये जायचंय, सगळ्यांकडून ऐकलंय.
छान आहे म्हणून.
हॉटेल उत्सव ट्राय करायचंय.
Oh, great. Great talking to you, Ma. Thank you for your lovely experience. Over to Jyoti. Thank you.
So, last guest on board is, she's one who has always helped us and guided us whenever we needed her help. So, I would like to call Priyanka ma'am. Priyanka ma'am, are you there?
Hi, yes.
Yeah, Priyanka ma'am. Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day to all.
Priyanka ma'am, I would like to ask you a few questions, rapid fire questions, one word answer. So get ready for that. Yeah. What is your favorite color?
रेड. जब भी मेरे साथ कुछ अच्छा होता है ना तो रेड
Wow,
कलर
that's
मेरे साथ में
everybody.
रहता है, तो वो रेड कलर इज माय फेवरेट कलर.
Yes, red is for love. That's really good. What is your hidden talent? जो हमें किसी को नहीं पता है, which we don't know about you. बता दो मैम, बता दो.
हर कोई एक मैं स्पीक इन मराठी क्योंकि मैं ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल हूँ.
Yeah, you can. Yes, of course you can.
प्रत्येक जणच एखाद्या गोष्टीत हुशार असतो. तसं मला एखाद्या गोष्टीत मन लावून काम करायला जास्त आवडतं. ते पूर्ण केल्याशिवाय मला झोप नाही लागत.
Okay. That's really good, ma'am. That's really good. What is the most interesting thing that you have in your purse?
जनरली सगळ्या लेडीजजवळ कॉस्मेटिक्स वगैरे असतात, पण माझ्याकडे पैसे असतात. पैसा है तो सब कुछ है.
सही है मैम, बिल्कुल सही है. What is the one thing that you always wanted to do? As you can say,
मुझे ना स्पोर्ट्स बाइक चलाना बहुत पसंद था. अभी क्या पता कभी चलाऊंगी.
Okay.
एक्चुअली मुझे बाइक चलाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
अगर इच्छा है तो हो जाएगा सब कुछ. Wow, that's really cool. अच्छा, ये इच्छा होती है तो सब कुछ होता है. That's really good, ma'am. Thank you so much. It was lovely talking with you. Thank you so much. Over to you, Kavita.
Priyanka ma'am, you're looking gorgeous.
Oh, thank you.
Glad that we get this honor of recognizing and celebrating our efforts on this occasion of Women's Day. With the influential women, today we have celebrated with most influential women. Your presence is inexpressible in few words, and so your deeds. Keep us inspiring, ma'ams, with your work and deeds. So, once again, everyone.
Thank you so much. We had a great time. Me and Kavita had a great time talking with you all. Thank you so much.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am, for giving this.
Thank you so much.
For interviewing
Stay
you.
tuned.
Cafe
Yeah, see you
at
soon.
DGT.
Yeah, Cafe at DGT. See you soon.
Hey, thanks Jyoti and Kavita for giving us a sneak peek into the lives of the power women of DGET. It was wonderful listening to the informal talks of each one of them. Now, each time I will see an SRK movie, immediately Anjana ma'am will come to my mind. And yes, like Savita ma'am, I too like watching Jab We Met. Moving forward, we always speak about women who have achieved something in life and are global faces. But there are millions of women like you and me who struggle daily to face the challenges of life. No one talks about them. So today, on this Women's Day, we hereby present an act highlighting the plight of the common women of our country during the pandemic. Let's watch.
आज रात 12 बजे से घरों से बाहर निकलने पर पूरी तरह पाबंदी लगाई जा रही है। अब लॉकडाउन किया जा रहा है।
Lockdown, the lockdown, the lockdown.
Of the lockdown.
COVID-19. Coronavirus.
This coronavirus.
Stuck in the loop. To say that the COVID pandemic had caused some emotional hiccups would be definitely an understatement. Each one of us have struggled in this phase of our life. And in this endeavor, we are trying to show what was happening in the lives of common women. Each and every woman tackled this phase with maturity and kept moving ahead.
यहाँ हूँ भाभी, आ रही हूँ। मेरी ना 2-3 मीटिंग है, तो आज का काम आप ही संभाल लेना, ठीक है ना?
अरे ठीक है।
अभी पिया ना?
चलो ठीक है, मैं आपकी एक और चाय बनाती हूँ।
मम्मी, जो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा, आप ही मुझे पढ़ा दो।
अच्छा ठीक है, चलो मैं ही तुम्हें पढ़ा देती हूँ। ये लॉकडाउन में घर घर नहीं रहा, बल्कि ऑफिस और स्कूल बन गया है। लेकिन कर क्या सकते हैं, सब घर पर है, सब सुरक्षित है, उतना ही काफी है। आओ आरव, मैं तुम्हें पढ़ा देती हूँ। ये देखो। गुड मॉर्निंग सर। ओके ओके फाइन सर, आई विल रिपोर्ट tomorrow 10. Okay sir, thank you. मम्मी सुनो ना, सर का फोन आया था मम्मी, हम लोगों को कल से रिपोर्ट करना है। क्या? कोविड ड्यूटी मम्मी।
तो बेटा कैसे चलेगा? कितने पेशेंट्स बढ़ रहे हैं, कितने जाने की बात कर रही है?
बुलाया है मम्मी अभी कॉलेज में, लेबर बहुत कम है, पेशेंट्स बहुत बढ़ रहे हैं।
नहीं बेटा, तो मत जा बेटा।
नहीं मम्मी, जाना तो पड़ेगा ही। अगर मैं ही मम्मी डर गई एज अ डॉक्टर, तो पेशेंट्स को कौन देखेगा मम्मी?
अगर पेपर हो गया बेटा तो क्या करेंगे? नहीं मत जा।
नहीं मम्मी, अगर मेरे से सब लोग ऐसे बोलेंगे मम्मी के नहीं जाना चाहिए, तो पेशेंट्स को कौन देखेगा मम्मी? सब प्रिकॉशंस लूंगी मम्मी। अभी रिस्क है मम्मी, बट अब क्या कर सकते हैं? डॉक्टर्स को ही तो सपोर्ट करना है ना। थैंक यू मम्मी।
अच्छा बेटा, अभी तो जरूरत नहीं है।
नहीं मम्मी, जाना तो पड़ेगा।
तो क्या करेंगे बेटे?
जाना तो पड़ेगा ही ना मम्मी, ये कोर्ट की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है मम्मी।
जा बेटा,
कुछ नहीं होगा, वरी मत करो, सब ठीक होगा।
Attention passengers, all international flights have been cancelled due to the ongoing crisis of COVID-19. Passengers are advised to contact their embassies for further assistance. Thank you.
Hello Raj, can you believe it? All flights have been cancelled because of corona, because of this COVID. I don't know, but I think first thing I have to do is contact my office and see if I can get onto some private flight. How can I stay at this airport? There are no flights. Like there are making lots of announcements. Everything is in German. Okay. I'm going to find the embassy. They've asked us to go and contact the embassy and let me see if there's some private flights or something that I can get onto. Okay. Yes, I'm going to battery also. Yeah, okay. Take care of Janu, give her a kiss for me. Okay? I have no idea. At least another 6 hours. I haven't eaten all day, you know that? Okay, put the phone to Janu. Hello? Janu, how are you, baby? I miss you. Yes, are you being a good girl? I want you to be a good girl and a very brave girl, okay? Eat your food and attend your online class. Yes, Mama will come home as soon as I can. But in the meantime, you have to be a good girl and take care of Papa also, okay? Okay. Good girl, bye.
Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about active and passive voice. Sanjana, looked at you. Go and get fresh. Night suit नहीं आ गई? 8 बजे भी ये बच्चे उठ नहीं पाते. वैसे ही लेजी थे. Lockdown has made them super lazy. Students, MCQ tests have been evaluated. Very soon I'll be sending you the solutions. Make sure you go through each and every question. Krish, बेटा ये क्लास के बीच में क्या खा रहे हो?
मैम कॉर्नफ्लेक्स.
बेटा ये खत्म हो जाएगा ना तो प्लीज मुझे अपनी मम्मी का नंबर फॉरवर्ड कर देना.
Ma'am, you are on mute. We cannot hear you.
Hello? Couldn't you tell me this before? The lecture is about to get over. Shameless students. Okay, students. Now I'm going to take your attendance. So don't exit anybody. Who's this? Akshay Kumar. अक्षय कुमार, धन्य भाग मेरे जो अक्षय कुमार मेरी क्लास में मुझसे इंग्लिश सीखने आ गए. Immediately start your video right now. Okay, fine. If Akshay Kumar doesn't start his video, boys and girls, I'm going to mark all of you all absent for today.
Hello, good evening, sir. Yes, sir, it's almost done. Yes, I'll mail you, sir. Yes, sorry for the delay. Yeah. Okay, sir. Okay. रात के 2 बज गए हैं. कब खत्म होगा ये काम? ये ऑनलाइन की वजह से तंग आ गई हूँ मैं. घर वालों के साथ रहते हुए भी घर वालों के साथ नहीं हूँ मैं. ऊपर से ये लोग हफ्ते देते हैं. बच्चों के फीस, घर के खर्चे, लोन्स, ये सब कैसे मेंटेन कर रहे हैं ये सब?
मेरी सारी सहेलियों को वर्क फ्रॉम होम के लिए कॉल आ गया. पता नहीं मुझे कब कॉल आएगा. इस पेंडेमिक ने तो बहुत परेशान कर दिया. हेलो. यस सर. यस सर, आई एम फाइन. हाउ आर यू सर? व्हाट? नहीं सर प्लीज ऐसे मत कीजिए. मुझे जॉब से मत निकालिए प्लीज. हमारे घर का खर्चा कैसे चलेगा? बच्चे हैं, स्कूल जाते हैं, उनकी फीस. सर सुनिए तो सर प्लीज. हेलो. माय गॉड, अब बिना जॉब के घर कैसे चलेगा? बिना पैसों के घर कैसे चलेगा? 6 महीने हो गए जॉब ढूंढते हुए, अभी तक कुछ नहीं हुआ. हे भगवान, ये जॉब दिला देना प्लीज. नाइट शिफ्ट है तो भी चलेगा. मैं कर लूंगी, बट जॉब दिला देना प्लीज। ये किसका फोन है? हेलो, यस यस, दिस इज सिमरन। यस, ओह यस सर, okay okay fine, when is the joining date? Okay sir, thank you so much, thank you। yes sir, thank you, good day। फाइनली ये नाइट शिफ्ट वाली जॉब मिल गई मुझे।
During lockdown, everyone's life got stuck in a loop. It was no different for a woman. We, as a mother, wife, daughter, had to serve all our family members. Along with this, at work front, as a teacher, doctor, engineer, had to go through with a lot of difficulties. But we never gave up, accepted all the challenges and overcome the barriers. A teacher who was not technology friendly, but during lockdown, she learned and conducted online classes. A doctor who had put her and family's life in danger to serve our nation. A housewife who had no house helper to assist her household activities was overburdened with work. During lockdown, many had lost their job and were facing financial crisis. We can only imagine the psychological state of a woman who got stuck in abroad during lockdown. Despite all the difficulties and struggles, we, the women of our country, had shown the strength, zest, and positive attitude with the hope that tomorrow everything will be fine. I salute to all the women who may or may not be a global face, but they are a true hero in themselves. Thank you. Over to you, Ramya.
I hope you enjoyed watching the skit as much as we enjoyed putting it up for you all. After this, let's have an interactive activity. For this, I call upon the quiz master of DGET, our very own Ujjaini, to test the knowledge quotient of our participants.
Thank you so much, Hamida. I don't think I can even move forward without thanking everybody who has performed before me. I was so mesmerized, so involved, and indulged in it that I really forgot that I have to conduct a quiz. But as we are, we have so many things lined up. I'll quickly, go ahead. But before that, a very good afternoon to everybody, and welcome to the quiz, and especially welcome to the first year students who are here with us. We are expecting your full participation in this. Okay, so I'll just share the screen and I'll explain you the rules. Okay. I hope you can see my screen. Is my screen visible? Just let me come. Okay, it's taking a bit. Okay, so this is quiz time for Happy International Women's Day, and there are 2 rounds in this quiz. One is breaking stereotypes, and the second is a connect question. Okay, it's open to all, and you have to type your answers in the chat section. So since there are so many students, and there will be a chaos if everybody tries to answer them. So if you know the correct answer, please type it in the chat section. I have my friend and my classmate Suchita with me. She will keep a tab and to select the first one. Okay, so your first answer will be accepted. Even if you say if the same person answers second time, and if the second answer is correct, that will be not accepted. Your first answer will be accepted, and whoever answers it correctly at first go will be given the credit. Okay. So without further ado, I'll just go ahead. But in any case, does anybody know what is International Women's Day celebrated for? And Marine has mentioned that at the very beginning in her introductory. Please say it quickly. Okay. International Women's Day is celebrated for equal rights of women and to also glorify women's achievements. So we celebrate that. It was, as Zareen rightly mentioned, the movement started in the United States long back and then gradually spread across the world. So today we are here celebrating yet another International Women's Day. Okay. Move on. Now, my next question is, this is an open question before we start with the quiz. Can you tell me what is the theme of this year's International Women's Day? What is the theme? Suchita, if you can read out if anybody is typing. Have a marvel.
Choose to challenge.
Choose to challenge, okay? Okay, that's correct. Let's see. Okay. Essentially, it is choose to challenge, but, to quote unquote, it's women in leadership achieving an equal future in a COVID-19 world. Our last year has been a very defining year because of the COVID attack that we all had encountered. And that's why this year, the International Women's Day has been, dedicated to women in leadership who has achieved an equal future in COVID-19 world. Okay, now let's move on to our first round, which is breaking stereotypes. Each question will have 4 options, okay? You will be given 30 seconds, okay? Within that 30 seconds, you have to type in your answers in the chat box, okay? And the first correct answer will be announced, the name will be announced and will be accepted. Okay, so Suchita, I hope you're ready. I'm going ahead with the first question.
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, great. So here is your first question. And one more thing, you cannot type unless the question is finished. Anybody who feeds in the answer before the question is finished, the answer will not be, accepted, because everybody has to listen to the question. Not everybody can read as fast. So unless the question is finished, when I say your time starts now, only then you are going to feed in your answers. So here we go. Brace yourself. Round 1, breaking stereotypes. Question 1. I am the health minister of the state that recorded the first case of COVID-19 in India. With effective strategies to combat the pandemic, I am now well renowned in the world for the work I have done. Who am I? Nirmala Sitharaman, K.K. Shailaja, Amrit Kaur, Sushma Swaraj. Health Minister of the state recorded first case and combated it. Your time starts now.
Yes, congratulations. Dipti Nair has given the correct answer.
What is the answer? It's K.K. Shailaja.
K.K. Shailaja, yes.
Fantastic. Congratulations, Deepika. Dipti, right? Dipti.
Dipti, yes. Dipti.
To combat coronavirus, or foresight prepared the state to handle the epidemic and come out of it successfully. Okay. Now moving on to the next question. The next question is, I was the first Indian sprinter to clinch a gold medal at a global athletics championship. I won 2 medals in the 2018 Asian Games in Jakarta, 32 years after P.T. Usha's stellar effort. I have been facilitated with an Arjuna Award. I'm also India's first openly gay athlete. Who am I? Hima Das, P.T. Usha, Duti Chand, P.U. Chitra. Your time starts now. Sorry about that.
Again, Dipti Nair has given the right answer.
My God, Dipti is on a roll. Congratulations, Dipti. Your answer must have been Duti Chand. Duti Chand has been blazing a trail for Indian athletics ever since she burst into the scene a few short years ago. The sprinter, the first openly gay athlete from India, scripted history in 2019 at the World Universiade in Naples when she became the first Indian to clinch gold in a 100-meter event at a global meet. Congratulations. Please, others, please wake up. Let's warm up to the question. This is only the second question. You have many more to go. Let's move on to the third one. Born in a small town in Haryana, I am expecting many answers here. However, do not type now. Born in a small town in Haryana, I had dreams of flying high. These dreams led me to become an Indian American astronaut in NASA. I was the first woman of Indian origin to go into space and flew the space shuttle. Who was I? Sunita Williams, Ritu Karidhar, Dr. Swati Mohan, Kalpana Chawla. Now, your time starts now.
Congratulations, Kavita Barot. She has given the first right answer. Kavita Barot.
Okay, congratulations, Kavita. Kalpana Chawla was born on 17 March 1962 in Karnal of present-day Haryana. As a child, she was fascinated by aeroplanes and flying. She went to local flying clubs and watched planes with her father. After getting a Bachelor's of Engineering degree in Aeronautical Engineering from Punjab Engineering College, India, she moved to the United States in 1982 and obtained a Master's of Science degree in Aerospace Engineering from the University of Texas. Quite a feat. Okay, moving on to the next question. My mother is from Tamil Nadu and my father is from Jamaica. I was Joe Biden's running mate for the presidential election race in the USA. I am the first female vice president of the country as well as the first ever woman of color. Who am I? Tulsi Gabbard, Kamala Harris, Nikki Haley, Pramila Jayapal. Your time starts now. This should come in no time. Very current.
Correct answer came from Chaitra Shreya.
Okay.
Chaitra Shreya.
Okay. The correct answer is Kamala Harris. Harris was born in Oakland, California on October 20th, 1964. Her mother was of Indian origin, Shyamala Gopalan, a biologist, and her father, Donald J. Harris, is the Stanford University professor. He is of African origin. He's an emeritus of economics who arrived in the United States from British Jamaica in 1961 for graduate study at UC Berkeley, receiving a PhD in economics in 1966. So she belongs to quite an academic background. That's Kamala Harris. Okay. Next question, question number 5. I was born in a Punjabi family and hail from New Delhi. I was the world's youngest commander to fly Boeing 777 in 2013. During the Bande Bharat mission, I brought back 14,800 Indians from 12 countries in 64 Air India flights. I also flew the flight on the longest air route from San Francisco to Bangalore with an all-female crew. Who am I? Very, very current question. Gunjan Saxena, Zoya Sapra Agarwal, Akanksha Sonawane, Avni Chaturvedi. Be mindful, answers could be confusing. All are very close call. Your time starts now. Do we have any answers yet?
We have answers, but nobody has given the correct answer.
Okay.
We have got, yes.
No. So I believe we have got a lot of Gunjan Saxena.
Yes, Gunjan Saxena, but Arshprit Kaur has given the correct answer. Arshprit Kaur.
Okay, congratulations, Arshprit. It's Captain Zoya Agarwal who commanded the all-women crew Air India flight via North Pole. It was the longest route from Delhi to San Francisco. I think just a month back, probably. She has been the youngest woman who commanded the world on Boeing 777. So that's Captain Zoya Agarwal, and it's not Gunjan Saxena because the movie has recently been released, so we are often getting confused with that. So it was Zoya Agarwal. Congratulations, Ashprit. Okay. The next question, which is the last of this round, and then we will move on to the next. Very, I think very easy answer to this. I was shot by the Taliban while boarding a bus in Pakistan's Swat Valley. After battling life and death, I came out alive and resolved to encourage the young girls in my region to study and make something of themselves. My humanity towards women empowerment and education made me the youngest recipient of the Nobel Peace Prize. Who am I? Karishma Ali, Imam Danish Khan, Malala Yousafzai, Hajra Khan.
Most of the audience has given correct answer for this, but the first answer came from Dipti Nair again.
Okay, Dipti Nair is on a spree now. Okay, congratulations, Dipti. Can anybody tell me, she shared the Peace Prize with someone very notable, another world leader. Who did she share the Nobel Peace Prize with? This is not a question, from the quiz, but just a random question, just an impromptu question. She shared it with somebody. Did anybody type Obama? Okay, so she shared the Nobel Peace Prize with Barack Obama on the same year. He also received the Nobel Peace Prize. Okay, so let's move on to the... Yeah, so she belonged, she's a Pakistani, and while on a bus in the Swat district after taking an exam, Malala and 2 other girls were shot by a Pakistani Taliban gunman in an assassination attempt in retaliation for her activism. She wanted to study. And then she recovered, and then she started, you can say a movement against the Taliban. Okay. Round number 2 is connect. This is very interesting. We only have 4 questions here. However, they are, you need some time to connect some pictures. So you will be shown some pictures of women, and they are some way connected. There's some commonality among all of them that binds them. So you have to find that specific commonality, okay? Not like they all have, you can say black hair, or all have, not the silly connections or the obvious connections, something very prominent, okay? So let's go ahead. This is round 2. Let's move ahead with the first question. Connect both the images. We can see Zeenat Aman on the left hand side. On the right hand side, we have Doordarshan. I'm not sure if, this age group, the age group that can answer this is above 30, I believe, because I don't know how many of you have seen Doordarshan in your life, but I definitely have seen. And so let's...
Jenny, please, we cannot see the screen.
Cannot see the screen?
But means that question one slide. Change your slide.
I'm sorry, what is it?
You can see it's round 2, just you have to change the slide.
Okay, now?
Yeah, fine.
Okay, so we have Zeenat Aman on left hand side, and on the right hand side, we have a logo of Doordarshan. I would request whoever knows the answer can say it. Instead of typing in, you can say it, because, it's a little difficult. It could be a long answer.
Nalini Satyam Shivam Sundaram.
What is it? Who answered Satyam Shivam Sundaram?
Satyam Shivam Savita Nagre. Arvind Bobby.
No.
What?
Okay. Who said Satyam Shivam Sundaram? I want the answer from that person.
See,
what is the
on
similarity?
The Arvind Bobby. Below that Doordarshan logo, it is always written Satyam Shivam Sundaram.
Fantastic answer. I'll give it to you. What's your name?
Savita Nagre.
Savita, congratulations. Both the left is the name of a movie and right is the motto of Doordarshan, Satyam Shivam Sundaram. Satyam Shivam Sundaram is the name of the movie and motto of Doordarshan. That's the connect. Fantastic answer. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Connect. How are all these women connected? You can type in your answers for this.
We have got answers: politics, leaders, politicians.
No, we need something very specific about them.
Women prime ministers
They
of
are
country.
Yes, women prime ministers, but I will give this answer the correct, the credit if no one else answers the perfect one that I'm looking for. They are women prime ministers, but what specifically?
They're the first women prime ministers in their country.
Who is that?
Gomti.
Gomti, congratulations. First women prime ministers of their country. We have first the Sri Lankan prime minister, then we have the famous Golda Meir from Israel, then we have Margaret Thatcher, then we have Angela Merkel, who is still the Chancellor of Germany, and we have Indira Gandhi. They're all the first women prime ministers of their countries. Fantastic answer, Gomti. Okay, moving on to the next. This is the third last. Little difficult, but if you are in the, if you are into current affairs and if you, read news, you would know what is the connect here. You can say this connect.
We can't see.
What?
Please change the slide.
What?
Change the slide.
We can't see, ma'am.
Jenny, you have to change the slide. Next question. Go to next question.
Okay, you cannot see the question. Okay, can you see it now?
Yes, now we can see.
I'm sorry, it's a little delayed. Yeah. So there are 3 pictures. Okay. How are they connected? One is obviously
Jenny, can I try? I think
Yes,
they are
please.
all the first women to navigate the globe.
I need a little more specific answer.
By
They're the
air.
first- Yes, they are the first women to navigate the globe. But did they? I mean, okay,
By
let me
air,
see.
by air. Yes, they flew around the globe.
Okay, I'll give it to you. Who is that?
Gomti.
Gomti again. Gomti, I cannot see the screen. I'm sorry. I can only see my question. That's right. Okay, I'll give it to Gomti. First women to fly solo. They were the first women to fly solo across Atlantic Ocean from their own countries. Absolutely right, Gomti. Okay, now the last question of this quiz. Let's move ahead. And it's an interesting one. Very interesting. Again, a little, from the 80s or 90s, early 90s. Connect them. Anybody from that time can answer this, I'm very sure.
Newsreaders from
Doordarshan. Absolutely. Gomti again, I believe that.
Dipti Nair, yes. Dipti Nair answered
Yeah,
first.
they're all. Can you name them by any chance? Do you remember the names by any chance?
Neelima Aziz.
Salma Sultana, Gitanjali Iyer, Binu.
Wow.
Then
That's a good one.
Albaka. That other girl is Usha Albaka.
Absolutely.
I know they were iconic, right?
They were all iconic, and I always used to switch on the TV to see their saris and what color of the flower would she plant on the back of her head. That was my only reason to watch her. But then, nonetheless, iconic TV Doordarshan newscasters who were elegant and my quiz. And thank you very much for your participation. There will be a small surprise for you once the program wraps up. Just keep an eye in the group. Okay. Thank you so much. Moving on to the next, I'm sure there is something even more interesting awaiting you. So please go. I would request the person next waiting to convene. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ujjaini, for putting up such a great quiz. I'm sure all our participants must have enjoyed. Moving further, did you know women are more rational than men because of a thicker cerebral cortex which they have? So you see, women are always right. In fact, women are beauty with brains. Women are gorgeous. Women are fashionable. So hereby we present a fashion show highlighting the women leaders of the world who have done an excellent job during the pandemic. They are the saviors.
Yes, ma'am, I'm sure I have seen you in my school.
Hello everyone, I'm Anita Maheshwari. On behalf of entire Dhanaganga Education Trust, College of Education, BA, feels truly grateful and privileged to extend my warm greetings to all of you on this remarkable day. Every year, 8th March is celebrated as International Women's Day. Wishing you all a very happy Women's Day. Nari, Gaurav hai, Abhiman hai. Nari ne racha, Vidhan hai. Yes, woman is selfless, strong, determined and confident and has a strong vision and compassion. Being myself woman feels proud and to be honored to say women are multitasker and multi-role player. It is rightly said, true leadership qualities can be observed in crisis. Women leaders worldwide with their empathy, compassion and prominent guidance has helped to deal and overcome in this pandemic period. Women leaders from various countries with their swift actions and ability to make correct decisions have saved several lives during coronavirus. Managing right from home to the whole country, women with benevolence, trust, pragmatism, mutual aid remarks their success worldwide. Nari, तुझ में सार है, तूने सवारा पूरा संसार है. Same we would like to present with the help of a small fashion show. Here we go, our fashion show. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Suchita Sahu. I am representing the first female president of Taiwan, Tsai Ing-wen. She is serving as chair of the Democratic Progressive Party, which is the ruling party in Taiwan. To defend her country, she is ready to give tough fight to China, which is a very powerful country as compared to Taiwan, which shows her patriotism and great leadership quality. She is among female leaders who stood out for their handling of the coronavirus and earned honor in the annual Forbes list of the world's most powerful women, which highlighted women's role in battling the global pandemic. Her achievement in helping mitigate and control the deadly contagious virus is remarkable. Taiwan kept the pandemic under control after instituting strict restrictions and largely closing its border in January 2020, long before other countries, limiting cases of the coronavirus to just over 707 deaths under her governance, which shows a great leadership quality. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Prerna Math, representing India's Finance Minister, Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman. Expressing her gratitude towards doctors and nurses who are dealing with COVID-19 patients, our Finance Minister has announced a comprehensive economic package to deal with the impact of coronavirus disease. She has come out with a package that will address two aspects. Number one, cash transfer, and number two, food security related measures. She has also announced 16 broad measures to review COVID-19 battered economy under Prime Minister's Atmanirbhar Abhiyan. She has been a dynamic leader who formerly served as a defense minister, thereby becoming India's second female defense minister. She played a pivotal role in creating a strong yet human imaginary in regards to defense personnel. Thank you very much.
Hi, I am Dhanashree Kopiter, will be representing Dr. Nivedita Gupta, a senior scientist at the Indian Council of Medical Research India. Dr. Gupta holds a significant portfolio in India's fight against the pandemic. Her priority at the moment is to set up an equitable distribution of labs with all the quality controls in place. Dr. Gupta continues her meticulous work, setting up labs, creating a new protocol, tracking quality control, even as she understands the virus and keeps herself updated on the global scientific findings. It is truly said that women are the real architects of India. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Anita Maheshwari, would like to represent myself as New Zealand Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern, who has been hailed with lots of praises and appreciation all around the world for her government government's quick action on COVID-19, which has actually helped New Zealand avoid mass infections and death. Her leadership is biggest victory in this pandemic situation. Ardern, at 40, gained international attention as one of the most famous, prominent, youngest female leader. Her personal addresses amend the pandemic to New Zealanders. Her directions, her warmth and leadership mantras are very strong, effective, and eventually there are no wonders that female leaders are their best to handle pandemic. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Pratima Kulkarni and today I am representing Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina, who is being appreciated for the lowest coronavirus death rate till so far. Bangladesh has a death rate of 1.3%, one of the lowest against the global average of 3.54%. The foremost step that Prime Minister took was to diffuse the panic among its citizens. She conducted national broadcasts with frontline workers almost every day and avoided using the word lockdown in any of its references. Government evacuated Bangladesh citizens from China and put them in quarantine too. Unlike other countries, Bangladesh also went through with the coronavirus lockdown situation when coronavirus was at peak. Her quick action and proactive coordinated policy responses saved nearly 2 times more lives than those run by the male leaders. So it indicates that women leaders handle the coronavirus pandemic significantly better than their male counterparts. Thank you.
युगों युगों से एक पहेली है जो कभी नंगे पांव से आंगन में खेली है जो कभी इंद्रधनुष बन के खनकती है कलाई में वही शक्ति है नारी जो कविता कली कहानी बन जाती जिसकी एक करवट वक्त को बदल जाती जो प्यार से रुतबा दे शाहों से ऊंचा जो जिद पे आ जाए तो समय को बदल देती वही शक्ति है नारी.
We just witnessed some amazing global leaders being brought to life by our in-house models. As they sashayed down the ramp, they brought to our attention the quiet work that these leaders have been doing, much like many of us, multitasking but with a smile. Since the beginning of the ongoing coronavirus pandemic, there's been a lot of media attention paid to the relationship between female leaders at the helm of various nations and their effectiveness in the handling of the COVID-19 crisis. The actions of female leaders in Denmark, Finland, Germany, Iceland, Norway, Taiwan, and New Zealand are often cited as supporting evidence that women are managing the crisis better than their male counterparts. Resilience, pragmatism, benevolence, trust in collective common sense, mutual aid, and humility are mentioned as common features of the success of these women leaders. A recently published research by Forbes provides evidence to show that countries with female leaders performed better on 2 significant counts. 1, a lower number of positive COVID-19 cases, and 2, a lower number of COVID-19 related deaths. That's because they were ready to take more risks, more focused on saving lives than economy, embracing the demands of leadership with a more interpersonal and resilient style. Female leaders adopted different approaches for specific groups. For example, the Norwegian Prime Minister Erna Solberg and New Zealand Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern delivered interactive sessions aimed at children to answer their questions. Angela Merkel, Chancellor of Germany, avoided using negative metaphors. Instead, she referred to the pandemic as a serious situation or a great challenge to assure the nation about its seriousness, but without creating panic. These women leaders have shown us what it takes to be a good and effective leader. Let's move beyond the gender stereotypes and acknowledge the flames of hope that these women are lighting for us. Our female students need such role models to encourage them to go for it.
Over to you, Ramya.
That was simply wow. Girls, you all truly justified your roles. I conclude that women are definitely better bosses, be it at the home front or elsewhere. A strong woman is 100% herself, 100% of the time. The strongest actions for a woman is to love herself, be herself, and shine amongst those who never believed she could. With this inspirational quote, we have come to the end of today's event. I'm sure all of you thoroughly enjoyed it. I now call upon Zareen to propose the vote of thanks.
That was a very wonderful session, and I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this very important day. First and foremost, I would like to thank our principal ma'am, Dr. Anjana Rawat, for her unstinted support, our professors, Ketan Kamble sir, Savita ma'am, Paulmati ma'am, Pratibha Patil ma'am, and Priyanka ma'am for gracing this occasion with their presence. My heartfelt thanks to Savita ma'am for always being a guide, for her extreme cooperation, encouragement in all our efforts. I owe special gratitude to all the participants of the event today who have worked hard to ensure that the event becomes a memorable one. Last but not the least, I thank you all my friends for your cooperation in making this event a resounding success. Finally, I would like to leave you all with this very inspiring quote. A woman is full circle. Within her is the power to create, nurture, and transform. Thank you so much for your kind attention.
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Wish you very happy Women's Day to all of you. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Wish you the same.
Thank you, ma'am.
I want to appreciate your efforts. Really, the whole group within a very short period of short time, you plan, execute, organized very well. Okay. I appreciate your commitment, your accountability, because meanwhile last week I didn't give you any instruction regarding the program, or even not a single line for the not a single line as a guidance. Okay, but you people did very good. Okay, so I appreciate all the teamwork, coordination of yourselves. Okay, keep it up, your energy, your enthusiasm for the next co-curricular activity also. Okay, Hamida, good anchoring. Romy has made that invitation. Okay, very nice. With that creativity seen in that e-invitation. Okay, I think that she has made 3 to 4 invitation, and I was little bit confused that which one should I choose. Okay, so Aditi, Remya, well dance performance. Aditi, Remya and Shrija was there. Okay, I think Anjana Rammohan has supported for technically her technical support is there, and in one skit she sing. Always Prerna was there. Okay, for sing a song, and Prarthana also. Okay, so Pratima, Ashpreet, Jyoti, Kavita, Zareen, Simran was there, Gitashri, Jyoti, Kavita. I'm really happy with your performances. Okay, and आज आप लोगों ने ना Suchita also there, Gomati was there, and Manita. Okay, Manita तो इस टाइम 3-4 जा रही है मैं सोच रही हूँ अरे कितनी बार आ रही है. Okay, तो आप लोग जो बोलते हो ना that we are the role model, okay, for you, but you people are also role model for us. Why? Because we
somewhere we find ourselves in you. Okay, कि कितना स्ट्रगल आप लोग भी कर रहे हो पढ़ाई करने के लिए. Okay, being a teacher you have to see your workload, your what we can say, your workload, your teaching and other works. Okay, and the same time you are the housewife. Okay, and you are a caring mother to take care of your daughter's sons. So I really ask the same question myself. Okay, कि अरे ये लोग इतने एडजस्ट कर कर कैसे पढ़ते हैं, उनसे भी कुछ ना कुछ सीखना चाहिए. Okay, फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्रतिमा जब भी मेरे सामने आती है मैं सोचती हूँ ये 2 बच्चे को लेकर, फिर सिमरन उसके बच्चों को लेकर इतने अच्छे से इंटर्नशिप भी किया. और प्रतिमा मैं कुछ काम बोलती हूँ तुरंत 2 दिन में, मैम आई हैव फिनिश्ड एंड प्लीज चेक. ओके, मैं सोचती हूँ अरे मैंने इसे काम दिया भी, इसने किया भी. ओके, तो कहाँ से ये एनर्जी आती है. ओके, तो ठीक है बीएड में आप लोगों ने ये डेवलप किया है, बट सस्टेन दिस एनर्जी इन योर फ्यूचर ऑल्सो. ओके, यहाँ पर तो आप स्टूडेंट हो, नो वन विल बॉदर यू इफ दैट वर्क इज इनकम्प्लीट. ओके, बट जब आप अपने वर्क प्लेस पर होगे तो at that time this type of energy, positive attitude, commitment and accountability is important. Okay, so sustain all those things and you people are really role model for us also. Okay, so don't consider yourself as a learner. तो आप रहोगे but हमेशा खुद को what we can say that आपका जो कॉन्फिडेंस है ना वो आपके चेहरे पर झलकता रहना चाहिए. ओके, और खुद को कभी भी कम मत समझो. विवेकानंद बोलते हैं जैसे आप खुद को समझोगे ना वैसे ही प्रेजेंट करोगे. तो नेवर थिंक दैट यू आर दैट समथिंग इज लैक इन यू. ओके, ऑलवेज थिंक अबाउट द बेस्ट व्हिच यू हैव. सो ऑटोमेटिक वन स्टेप कॉन्फिडेंस विल गेन and you can achieve a lot. Thank you very much Abru for your very good organization of this type of program. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much ma'am for giving the time and a platform to show our skills and creativity. Thank you so much.
I do agree with Savita madam. Definitely you all set examples in front of everybody, especially in front of first year students, because they all are really learner. They have to learn from you how to arrange a program. So beautifully you have arranged the program, organized the program, and everybody has participated enthusiastically. I can see from their performance. So really congratulations to entire team, SYBA second year student team, who have arranged this program and beautifully presented in front of audience. Wish you all once again very happy Women's Day and enjoy your day. Okay? So all the best. Best wishes.
Thank you ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much ma'am.
Thank you ma'am.
Thank you ma'am. Thank you everyone.
Ma'am, can we conclude? We can
Yes,
close
yes, please.
Yes. Thank you ma'am.
We can conclude.
Thank you ma'am. Thanks a lot ma'am.
Thank you ma'am.
Thank you everyone. Thank you ma'am.
Thank you ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Bye.